Ọhaneze Igbo mụrụ nzọ moze kenekwa m ọnụ n'ụbọchị nke taata ezigbote vidiyo dị oke mkpa ka anyị ji wee bịa today. Achọrọ m kwunu nụ ihe Cubana Chief Priest kwuru maka Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and Biafra. Unu mana a few weeks ago unu zuru primaries election. Ọ bụrụ na mụ na hate Cubana Chief Priest ha na ndị otu ya no. Hate them as people. But I just don't like the fact that Hana Mengulu onwe ha within the ọjọọ. Because anybody after you here, boy is be here. Onya is not worthy to be trusted. Oka mma nọrọ n'ihu ọgụ mgbuo nwanne gị na-epụtara n'iru gbuo nwanne gị. Oka mma na ajụọ gị ajụjụ ka nwanne gị mee. Kata m ya asị mma na nwanne gị adịrọ mma. It's better na ịgbachi nkịtị gawala onwe gị. Maka echi na ghọta ihe m na-ekwu. Cubana Chief Priest na Cubana ndị otu Cubana, I love those people, if not for anything, at least for the fact that a lot of youth wee aka ọlụ si n'aka Cubana Chief Priest wee pụtakwa wee chawasị ọkụ ha ọfụma, ọkụ ha wee saa ife, ọkụ ha wee dịkwa on. So many upcoming content creators, Cubana Chief Priest, it was through their ladder. So for that alone, they have done well for the society more than the government. Because I found behamonia potana no government takulom single-handedly. Today. So kaina taide chifukwana what these people have done. Because they have said another thing. Amamna one thing about Igbo, once you make the tamper with the identity of Igbo, Mbagalia. Now if you need another person to come and reintroduce you again, because one act of mistake to every Igbo person is regarded as a betrayer, is regarded as saboteur. Mana kaide chefukwana nene hoku mba Julia maka Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na ndị otu ya nene this video.
Ask him, Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu.
Nnamdi Kanu.
Now presidents.
No. Who? Nnamdi Kanu is a freedom fighter. He's an agitator of a Biafran. You know, we Igbo people, we are Biafrans. And Nnamdi Kanu is one of the people who have motioned the cause. People like Dr. Juku, you know, a lot of people have been on this cause. You know, but I tell you for free. That's one of the reasons why I wanted to get on this journey, because when Nnamdi Kanu was sentenced, I got so pissed that I got on the media, and after that, you know, bring them out. I come sit back, ask myself, Chief Priest, how can you actually make a proper change apart from now we do enter?
You know they do short. What can you say they do short?
If your power now, if you do video post, you're limitless, not cho. You understand? I thought about going beyond social media. I thought about being on the table where they go discuss them. That was why I said, okay, CP, you have influence, you have money to spend. Participate. You understand? They no say I go win them. Now why they say I no go, don't forget about it. You no be your turn, your time never reach. You understand? And there are some battles you can't fight. There are some people you can't embark on a war.
That's true.
You understand? So
I even to say the politicians on the scene now then Tinubu now they go give you money. So now you they pay to enter, you can't lose.
Nobody send you.
They don't pay you money.
Now, let me tell you, as I did now, Tinubu no really trust me. As Igbo man where I be, they look me with one eye because he believes this one where they work for people before. This one fee maybe.
Oh, you don't work for me, Peace I'll be before.
Yes, now last election.
Why you leave from?
I check out my brother. See, I don't want to lose again because they say first food no be food, and second food be.
Well, yeah, when you choose Peter Obi, you think say you go lose, but now when we say you choose Tinubu, you can't still lose. So what happened?
No be Tinubu lose now. I mean,
you lose.
Yes, now you don't mean anything.
Okay.
Peter Obi no lose.
If he
as he lose that one, he kill himself. No be in the one run again. I think you know win the strong.
You go win this one.
You know if you win.
How you know, Chief Priest?
You know if you win because he's not ready. The people who are more ready will win. I don't know if this
because for comment section.
Look at you forget comment section. See, this is strategy. This is game plan. A president that has 30-something governors supporting him already.
Thank you, I'm in a nice ago about this video. Like I said, Cubana Chief Priest Hana Cubana about the people like you so much. If not for anything, Bahamelo Dogu challenge in the mother win a Chalego win everything. They have done Kaili Chief Kwan. I didn't know. Kaide when this mentality of lack of saying thank you because now somebody made a mistake. I saw their movement with Peter Kadafa City Boy movement as a mistake. You see, to me personally, I'm not saying for you in any video, but to me personally, I saw it as a mistake that can be easily corrected. Cubana Chief Priest, he may pay Ubia today. He mean well for his people that who failed that election and I care. Self Chakwana we portray video na angu na emenka no. Ihe na angu does not make person a bad person. Nwoke ọbụla nwere ebe ọ gbara ọlụ. Ihe ọbụla na angu does not make that person a bad person. Enwere ihe ya apụta fọ mmadụ oke onye na anguchala siga, ọ na anguchala Igbo, ọ na anguchala nka, ọ na eme nka no. Nwoke ọbụla nọ n'ụwa nwere ebe ọ gbara ọlụ. That is what makes you human being. And I circulate a video and bass no na no ya mende munka no ya menka no. Imepe will be Cubana Chief Priest. I don't know him or bono nyego mega moro before. I don't know what funu be before. Man imepe will be which the way in Safia. He mean well. He mean well for the people, he mean well for the youth. And when Bwenkulo Kusona that to take what is in a strong man hand, you must first of all bind that strong man. It will in a patando or chichinaka, you must first of all deal with them. Shokwangi chabandu wike or jala chabandi yorubaike. Move strategically. Kine move, don't condemn your own. Don't burn down that bridge. Kine move, do not destroy, just move where can dance as a move. Remain loyal. Pretend like you don't know anything. Climb to the top and take over. Or can thou see a move? Manandebai believes in noise, believe in noise making. That is one of the problem I know. Just like one young boy shoot to video or shoot to video Mobad, and Cubana Chief released to that young man. The guy will make videos and Cubana Chief released to him. The madana opposed the picture. I went to the see air. No matter how excited you are, never you post a screenshot of people's conversation with you online, especially big people or somebody that is trying to help you. It will make you number one, or you make you lose your trust. 2, or you make you lose your value. 3, or you make you also almost the only choice even someone can't go with people something like that in a video. Example was not name will end as Wahana this country Munagenonia, but Hana has Wahane. Before you nap at Bosele, Hazo Chagahia, and as Wahana, but the market opens by 5 p.m. They close by 9 p.m., 9-10 p.m. Hana. So at that moment, decide what will happen tomorrow morning. How the price will be. Kenda Yebia, Kenduenka, Kenduenka. I have been opportune to be there, and I will not mention the location, and I will mention the state. Yotago. So all these things we have in China, just a blanket. So you as a youth not criticize them, mother not criticize it. Let it be a warning to you. Rich man make a mistake, rich man be an avatar. Man as a poor man can actually be benite. He will make mistake. But there's somebody that will help you tomorrow. No matter how good you are, you have closed that door of opportunity. No matter how good you are, repeat. Somebody that will help you tomorrow. No matter how good you are, you have closed that door. So no matter how prayerful you are, obuno nwoke na-achụ nwaanyị ya help gị tomorrow bịa criticize ya or bịa kpali ya because of no nwe challenges ebe ụmụ nwaanyị nọ. You have closed that door because now what you are permitted to do is to follow him. Nweta ihe na-achọ nwa gbasa gị with his personal life. When you with his personal life, you can only give suggestion. I could go me so many people saying another advice on okay. You can only share idea and bring suggestion to your fellow man. Never you advise him. You'll be making yourself a fool and a mistake of your life. You advise your fellow man, especially somebody challenging the gaka. Or the one.